So I recently replaced my battery in my 2011 Tacoma, and after that it would crank but not start. It would crank and run for maybe half a second and then it shut itself off. So looking here, or looking online, looks like you can reset the ECM and the immobilizer, so I'm guessing that's what happened here on my truck. So what you do is you grab a paper clip and you focus. So you grab a paper clip and you jump it in pin 4 up top and pin 13 on the bottom. So if you count on the top row, 4 over from the left, so left to right, the 4th one, and then on the bottom row, the 4th one over from right to left. So you jump those. Once you do that, put your key in the on position. Don't start. So key in the on position, and when you do that with a paper clip, all the lights on your dash will flash. Set a timer on your phone for about 30 minutes. After that, we're going to remove the paper clip, turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and see if it fires up. So we're going to let this do its thing and come back after it marinades for 30 minutes. Alright, so timer's done. So we're going to turn the ignition off. There's the key. I'll probably have to remove the key. Now, on my paper clip, it had this plastic coating on it, so I just use a pair of wire strippers just to get down to bare metal. You want to do that to get contact inside the port there. So now we're going to cross our fingers, and hopefully I don't regret changing my battery on my truck. So alright, so now the ECM is just going to go ahead and reprogram. So we're going to leave the car run for about maybe 5 minutes or so. So here we are, probably about just under 5 minutes in, and you can see the idles drop down about 500 or so. So program should be reprogrammed. So I'm just going to let it run a little bit longer, just to play it safe. Just let it get programmed. I have nowhere to go, and but there you go. That's how you reprogram your ECM on your Toyota Tacoma. Thanks for watching.